So I'm just gonna start picking up stuff. I'm getting these right here. This kind of like this truck. I really like it. Of course, you can't live without the combis, you know? Combis. Got two of them. I am gonna keep looking because I keep finding stuff. I'm out of town today and out of town and finding stuff. Isn't that cool? And this looks like it's been sitting here for a while because it looks empty, and so it looks like it's been sitting here for a while. So I'm just gonna take it. There you go, another combi. Never leave home without it. Taking all the combis I find. I'm taking them all. Look, this is how long has this been sitting here. That's old. Very, very pretty old. Pretty old. Three combis. And I'm taking that too. There's three combis. Got the Toy Stories. Does anybody know anything about this Forza thing? They have this one here, Forza 4. They have the Nissan 980X. Then they have the this is cool piece right here. Excellent piece. The Lambo Veneno. Trying to focus here. Nice piece, look at that. Then they have the Aston Martin, of course. Or the UK's own, right? They have the Cobra, Shelby Cobra. And the BMW M3. Excellent pieces. Let's keep looking. Gotta take my combis. Hold up. My combis here. I don't want anybody to take them. We got some Maestos here. We've got and we've got crap. Sorry. And we've got some Johnny Lightnings here. Nothing major. So that'll be it for now, guys, I guess. I'm going home with the combis. Yep, that'll be it for the video too. So I want to catch you on the next one, all right? Keep looking, you never know what you may find. Keep looking. Keep looking. Looking. This is a Toys R Us special. Should I get it since Toys R Us is out of business? 82 Ford. All right. I'll check it out and see. I'll find out. Till then, guys. Oh, shoot. Look at this. Matchbox. Hold up. I have these Matchbox. I have it in two colors. That's the Dodge. I'll tell you right now what it is. It doesn't say, but it's a Dutch. I think it's like 800 or something. Alright guys, till next video. Take care.